I'm not gonna sneeze. I can do it. I can hold it back. I can do it. Fuck. I want to sneeze, but I don't at the same time. Okay. I can hold it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Burns really bad. Burns really bad. I'm just gonna blow my nose really quick. Hopefully if I don't sneeze before then. Just gotta... That was really gross. I'm sorry. Ew, it's like everywhere. Oh, okay. So, I am inducing them with some pepper. It really burns. But I really need to get these out, so I just need to. It feels so good, but it hurts so bad holding it. Hold it. I'm not gonna sneeze. Okay, now the back. Oh, it burns so bad. It tickles. It won't come out. Oh.